Hi guys, this is a testing review of a extension pole that we purchased off of Amazon. I've been using this thing for about 6 weeks, and this is by far the best extension pole that I've ever used. The other ones that I've used in the past, they've been a solid element. The problem with the solid element, I've got an overhang right over here, and when I get over this side of the pool and I start brushing, the pole's too long, I start running into the side of the building. So this is nice, so I can actually collapse this down and I can reduce the length of it if I'm in a tight quarter. And this is like really easy and fast, right? And now I've got a really short end of the pole, you can see right here, and I can work in the tight spot. Now I happen to have a 30 foot diameter pole. So out in the middle here, I need a really long extension arm to get to the very middle. So I'll just pop these guys open. I'm gonna walk it out. And I'm rocking. Now this is an aluminum structure. So aluminum is not going to corrode in the pool. And also it's nice and lightweight and stiff. The other thing nice about it, it's shippable, right? So you can throw it in the back of your vehicle and you can drive around with it to another pool, whatever you need to do. But you can see here, I've got good extension to get all the way in the middle of the pool. Now, yeah, so the longer this is, the more flexy it's going to be, for sure. I imagine if they beefed this guy up, it would be obviously stiffer, but it would also be a lot heavier. So I think they found a really good compromise between stiffness and the ability to reach. You know, I'm about 17, 18 feet right here. I'm hitting the middle of the pool, no problem. And this is really manageable, right? It's not heavy. I can slide it to the left or the right. My wife, who weighs about 100 pounds less than I do, she can do the same. This is a really manageable structure here. And I can't imagine living pool life without it. So I hope you enjoy this review. I hope you guys have a nice day.